Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Professor Hassan and you are watching my channel Professor Hassan Humayun. Yesterday on 5th April 2026 Sunday, PPSC conducted a very important club paper for the posts of Assistant Director Statistics, Bureau of Statistics and Statistical Officer, Bureau of Statistics. Dear students, today I will discuss very important technical and conceptual questions of that paper. Before starting, I want to announce that you must join my interview preparation session today. Don't waste your precious time. Let's start. In binomial distribution, mean is always greater than its variance. Next is, in negative binomial distribution, mean is always less than its variance. Bruch-Pagan test, BPG test is used for detecting heteroscedasticity. L-Jung-Box test is used for detecting autocorrelation. Next question is, in which distribution mean and standard deviation are equal, and that is exponential distribution. Power of the test is 1 minus beta. The probability of rejecting the false null hypothesis is called power of the test, and that is 1 minus beta. Next question is, if skewness is 0, it means mean, median and mode are equal. Next question is, convenient sampling is non-probability sampling. Snowball sampling, convenient sampling, judgment sampling, these all are the types of non-probability sampling when probability is not involved. Next question is mean square error. Dear students, whenever we have two unbiased estimators and we want to compare their efficiency, who is more efficient, we use variance. Less variance shows that this is more efficient. But whenever we have biased estimators and we want to compare their efficiency, we use mean square error and write down the formula. Mean square error is equal to variance plus bias whole square. And whenever bias is 0, then mean square error is equal to variance. Next question is, the characteristic which cannot be measured numerically, qualitative variable actually. What is used to test equality of several population variance? We use Bartlett test for more than two variances. For one population variance we use chi-square test. For two population variances we use F test. And I think this is the question. Whenever we want to test more than two population variances, we use Bartlett test. Next question is, in normal distribution, mean deviation is, and that is 0.7979 sigma. Next question is, the statistical technique that removes the effect of covariate by regression method is ANCOVA, analysis of covariance. Next question is, probability of A is 0.5, probability of B is 0.4, probability of A intersection B is 0.2. What is probability of A union B? And you know the formula. Probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. It means 0.5 plus 0.4, it is 0.9 minus 0.2, that will be 0.7. Next question is, the probability of an event lie between, it is always 0 to 1. The probability of rejecting the false null hypothesis, that is 1 minus beta, power of the test. The degree of freedom for the contingency table, whenever we have 4 rows and 3 columns, we know the formula R minus 1 into C minus 1, 3 into 2, that will be 6. Very technical question. 1 decimal place for 0.049. It is 0.0. Find the range. Maximum minus minimum, you know the formula. Minus 1 minus minus 11. Maximum value is minus 1, minimum value is minus 11. Range can never be negative. All the measures of dispersion, mean, range, mean deviation, quartile deviation, standard deviation, variance, this can never ever be negative. So minus 1 minus minus 11, that will be minus 1 plus 11, that will be 10. pH of soil is continuous variable. Next question, very important, and I have discussed with my students. The sum of square of standard and normal variates, summation z square I, that will be chi-square. Next question is, if CV is 20%, then standard deviation is equal to, according to mean, that will be 20. Time weighting distribution is exponential distribution. Range of multiple correlation coefficient, that is 0 to +1. Ogive is the graph for median. Difference between statistic and parameter is called standard error, sampling error. Number of traffic signals in Lahore city is an example of discrete variable. Very important question. As you know, stem and leaf display introduced by John Tuckey. 93 values are given, 93 to 176. Now dear students, stem, which is the leading digit, 93, from left you will see first one number is 9 and 176 it is 17 actually, the stem. 17 minus 9 is 8 plus 1 9. It means the stems, how many stems are there? 9. 90, 91, 93. If you start from 93, 93, 94 up to 99, that is one stem which is 9. Then 100, 101, 102 till 109, that will be second. Then 110, 111, 112, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. There will be 9 stems. In index numbers, if index number is 1 to 50 in 1994 for the base as compared with base, what will be the increase percentage? What will be this? New minus old over old multiplied by 100%, and that will be 150%. Which non-parametric test is the alternative to t-test for two independent samples, and that is Mann-Whitney U test. Next question is, size of the critical region is also known as size of the test. Next question is, test was easy, most of the students get 90 plus marks. That is example of negatively skewed distribution. If standard deviation is doubled, its width increases. If p-value is less than alpha, we reject H node. Dear students, must comment on today's lecture and must join interview preparation session today. My WhatsApp numbers are given. You can just give me the message on my WhatsApp number. Assalamu alaikum.